just how quickly we're seeing this market get worse. It was the worst day for Wall Street since 1987. Leadership will offer policies and technologies that are good for the environment. This comes from BlackRock over and over again. They say that gun makers should do more to protect American lives, which seems like a step in the right direction. Companies said they would make things safer. But so far, working with authoritarian states has done the same thing. We are giving BlackRock money without knowing it, and we have made it our duty to help lower that over time. Putting out its numbers this morning, about 1.2% of shares are down. But what about expectations? That's what that business is all about, but it seems to be. Are you interested in making money without doing anything by selling automatically on Bybit? I'd like to share something interesting with you that's free. You don't even have to sit in front of your computer all day to follow my trades. Just click on the link below. You can also see how much money I make every month from trading by clicking the link in the description. Making money at your own pace is what it's all about. Look it over. Everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Big news. Shiba Inu owners have been told more about Shytoshi's latest promise to change their lives. It is well known that Shytoshi Kusama, the main developer of Shiba Inu, tweets about the latest changes to the environment. In this form, too, he gives information about the ship. But this time, Shytoshi has answered questions. Some of the things he says might surprise you. We'll talk about some big news in this film. Shiba Inu owners recently got an explanation from Shytoshi about a promise that would change their lives. Please give the movie a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our newest articles on Shiba Inu price predictions and professional research. Let's begin the video right away. Let's see what Shiba Inu does on October 28th. After going up for 3 days in a row, the value of some popular coins has gone down in the last 24 hours. Even though Ethereum and Bitcoin, the two most valuable coins, have lost 5% of their value, the market as a whole is still worth over $1 trillion. The value of all cryptocurrencies on the market dropped by 3.5% yesterday to $1.20 trillion, according to CoinMarketCap. The whole Bitcoin market was worth $97 billion in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's market share rose by 0.68% to 42.68%. While ETH held the top spot in 17.7% of all cryptocurrency markets. In the last day, the price of Bitcoin has gone down by 2.45%. BTC was worth $22,916. Bitcoin's value has grown by 14% in the last week. Yesterday, the value of a Shiba Inu fell to 11.79 cents, a loss of 5.48%. It is ranked 15th on CoinMarketCap right now. As you know, Shiba Inu was Ethereum whale's most valuable coin for a long time. The dollar value of these whales' holdings went up along with the price of the tokens because they had kept them for longer. The digital asset, on the other hand, has always had problems keeping its place among the whales. Shibarium is another meme coin that came out later. It was first called the FTX token. Shiba Inu, on the other hand, is showing its strength again. Tens of billions of dollars worth of cryptocurrencies are owned by the top 100 Ethereum whales. These have always been led by Ethereum, but other stocks have taken up a lot of space in their wallets. Out of the top 10 ETH whales, Shiba Inu has been having the most valuable token position in terms of dollars. He is likely to be one of the winners in 2021. The ERC20 Ethereum standard is what the SHIB coin is built on. Shibashi non-fungible tokens, leash and bone tokens, and the Shiba Swap decentralized exchange have all been added to the Shiba environment. It now competes with other cryptocurrency DEX like Uniswap and SushiSwap. It was claimed by the people who made Shiba Inu that a quadrillion tokens were made so that users could store billions or even trillions of tokens. This means that people who own a lot of tokens will still make a lot of money, even if the value of each token stays well below 10 cents. One half of all the SHIB coins were sent to Vitalik Buterin, who created Ethereum. The other half were locked to the Uniswap DEX by the developers. Buterin burned 90% of the SHIB tokens he still had and gave more than 50 trillion tokens, which were worth more than $931 million at the time, to the India-covered Crypto Relief Fund, saying he didn't want to control other cryptocurrencies. The Shiba developers added a coin-burning gateway on April 23 in reaction to requests from the community to cut down on the number of coins in use. People who chose to burn their SHIB will get Ryoshi tokens in return. It was decided on the first day that more than 8 billion SHIB tokens should not be used. CoinMarketCap says that as of July 17, 549 trillion SHIB tokens were in circulation, out of a total supply of $589.70 trillion. Shiba data showed that 410 trillion SHIB tokens had been destroyed from the original amount. Over 1.6 billion tokens were burned in the 7 days before July 15. Some of the burns were so big that they erased tens of thousands of tokens at once. The figures show that the burn rate went up by 108% in just 1 day. When the price of SHIB drops, whales stock up on it. SHIB had the most value in dollars of the top 100 Ethereum tokens. People who hold a lot of cryptocurrency are called whales. According to Whale Stats, ETH was placed first, with $233.8 million held in 193,618 ETH coins and $5.6 million held in 511 billion SHIB tokens. According to statistics from CoinCorp and Whale Stats, there were more than 1.2 million Shiba Inu holders on July 17. This is up from 1.18 million on June 16. The address with the most coins, 410 trillion, is a dead address. It holds 40% of the original SHIB stock that Vitalik Buterin burned. The person who owns the most Shiba Inu coins still has 48.7 trillion tokens, which is 4.87% of the original 1 kg stock. According to data from Wales, the 10 wallet addresses that hold the most SHIB have more than 165.61 trillion tokens, which is 56% of the total amount and worth over $1.8 billion. Even though SHIB is advertised as a decentralized, community-led currency, only 10 wallets hold 28% of the total $589.70 trillion supply. The overall value of Light's portfolio is $691 million, with $364 million, or 55%. Put in SHIB, Light is the 5th largest whale wallet on Ethereum. Statistics show that over the last 2 months, they have been slowly selling off some of their SHIB stocks, but they are still the 2nd largest active SHIB investor. The owner bought almost $48 million worth of SHIB tokens in the last month and sold $13.4 million worth of them on July 11. The next largest address, which has $132.9 million worth of SHIB, holds 77.75% of the wallet's total value. Based on what happened in April, the top 100 users of Shiba Inu have added more SHIB to their wallets since the value of cryptocurrencies dropped. They make up 49.25% of the total stock right now. As of this writing, CoinCorp data shows that VI and NNCE is the most popular centralized exchange for storing Shiba Inu. It has a total of $42 trillion SHIB worth $468.3 million in tokens. That was it. OKEx had $86.2 million worth of SHIB worth $7.8 trillion, and Crypto.com had $69.4 million worth of SHIB worth $6.30 trillion. Along with general trends in coin values, the global market still has an effect on the Shiba Inu, but also alarm